You know who's coming next, don't you? One of the biggest boy bands in the world. Their last album, Battleground, went platinum in the UK. They're doing amazing in America. They've recently toured South America.
They even played for Mrs. Obama.
Well, they've got a little song, you might have heard of it. It's called Glad You Came. At the American charts at number 3. I Found You is their new single.
Oh, this lot ain't even bought it.
But you're gonna have to wait. The only reason is because we need the countdown to Christmas. We need the countdown to the Christmas lights. We need the countdown to the Wanted. Are you ready? You guys have really made so much noise tonight. So, we need a countdown from 10, alright?
Okay.
Are we ready?
Okay.
Now, come on, calm down. Just calm down.
No.
Calm down. Are you ready?
Are you ready for the Wanted? Christmas.
Alright, okay. Are we ready? 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. We've only just begun.
Chasing the sun.